Even a lightning-fast hare can't escape, the fastest animal on land. Luca and Kovu have defied the drought. And as December looms, salvation is on its way. These boys are far more than fast sprinters. They are patient and calculating hunters. Perfectly in sync, they move in. The hunt is on. But the zebra is too strong. Luca is losing the battle. Then right when he's needed, his wingman arrives. It's a remarkable show of teamwork. Their risk of hunting large prey is rewarded.